Hello guys, welcome back. This is K Hayes for After Effects tutorial channel, and today I show you how to make character particles in live action footage. Let's start. Create a new project, so create a new composition, and right here character particles. Select your composition HD 10 seconds, press OK. So now double click, select your footage. Where is the footage? I think this one is correct. So first turn off the audio and go to effects and presets. Right here, key light. Drop the key light on the footage and select the footage, mask. Like this. Select your key light effect and screen color. Pick the green color by eyedropper and go to final result, change to screen matte. So go to screen matte, press Ctrl, slowly Ctrl the green screen and select again the final result. A little bit problem, the age of character, so use the matte choker. And now select your video and pre-compose. Select the second option, move all attributes. Attributes mean move all plugins, mask to new composition and name it footage. And now time to pre-compose for your VFX scene or project. Footage wipe. Press OK and go to project. There is footage wipe. Select in project window, Ctrl D for duplicate and rename here footage linear wipe. And now time to drop a different effect in footage wipe. Create a new solid, black solid, press OK, and right here CC light sweep. Here is change the direction to 0, and there's track matte by pressing F4 on keyboard. Change to Luma matte. Here is the character and start from here, or you can start, press Ctrl R, turn on the ruler and set to 400. Set the ruler 360. Here is guide position 360. So stopwatch the center direction and go to 5 seconds. Create another guideline, set 860. Move to 860, need more far, move to 900. Here is the 900. Play now. Okay, let's go to footage linear wipe. Double click, press Ctrl R turn on the ruler and set 360. Here is the 360, and create another one, 900. That was 900, yeah?
Yes.
So select the footage and right here linear wipe, drop the linear wipe, and don't forget create, double click, create a new different solid, press OK, move it down, starting from here, make 100, feather 150, press Control, start from here, stopwatch, go to 5 seconds, move it to end of 900, and now go back to footage, delete the red solid. Here is completed. Turn off the footage wipe, a little bit different. Okay, move the footage wipe and turn on the 3D and right click, create a new solid, and right here particles, and go to effects, go to rejoin trap code particular, and then go to file, save your project, go to emitter and select the layer, and go to layer emitter and select the footage wipe. So now time to increase the particles second. Don't forget, select the third quality of your project, set the particles 10,000 first. Here is the 10,000. Then set 100,000. Here is the 100,000. And go to particles, change the size 75. Set the original size 2 or maybe 3.5, and go to physics, air, wind X, set minus 155, set wind Y minus 127, and go to turbulence field, set the effect position 130, and go to rendering, motion blur, set to 420, and create a background, press OK and set the name background and move it behind of the project, Ctrl Shift Y, change the background dark. Okay, the black color is looking good, and let's render the project for the final result. Let's select the full quality and render. Here is the final result of the project. Hope you like the project. Don't forget like and subscribe the channel, and see you next time.
أنا آخر الصوت شخص من